Hi everybody, this is Speak&Drink Kyiv English Speaking Club, and we're back, motherfucker. And guess what we're gonna be doing right now? Exactly, we're gonna be spreading the word of English in the city of Kyiv by asking people different questions. So let's just roll. Have you ever had sex on the first date?
No.
Why not? It's bad?
Maybe, but I don't know like this man or no have love or no have love.
So for you it's important to love a person first, before sex?
Yes, first love after sex.
No? What do you think about this?
I'm not a lucky man who...
You're not a lucky one?
No.
Okay.
And you see my face.
No, I think that's a bad decision. There is lots of some diseases that...
Diseases, yeah? Like STDs you're talking about? What if you have a condom and stuff, so you use condom?
You know that
I don't know,
girls,
you tell me.
You know that girls...
I like this shit, man. You know, girls. Yeah.
Some girls need some mental contact. And,
Do you think you're having this kind of mental contact right now with you? Have you ever had sex on the first date?
No, every day.
Every day?
No,
No, it's a joke? Okay. Okay, so do you think in general it's good or bad having sex on the first date? What do you think of this?
Sometimes. When you feel connection.
Okay, kind of mental connection, chemistry.
Or a boy or
Okay.
other stuff. Yeah.
All right. Other stuff. Can I steal some strawberry? Can I steal some strawberry?
This way.
That way?
Yes.
No, but I want yours. One strawberry. One strawberry, yes. You can do this? Oh, thank you very much. I love you. Thank you very much. You want strawberry? This is good. Can I ask you one question? One. It's a little bit sexual. Just a little bit. Okay? When you have sex, okay, with your partner, have you ever thought about another person while having sex with your partner?
No,
No, never?
never.
Really?
Really. My partner not не нуждается.
If I think about other person,
Yeah, while having sex with your husband. Never.
no.
Never ever.
No, I think
Okay.
no. No.
Never? Never ever.
Короче, спрашивает, когда-либо, занимаясь сексом с мужчиной, ты хотела бы именно еще одного партнера? No.
You know, you just have sex with your partner and then like boom, you start thinking about another person
Maybe
because this
yes.
person is more attractive.
Maybe yes.
Yeah?
Not just in the process.
Yeah,
the
okay.
Process,
Okay.
but in my thoughts
Yeah.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes,
okay.
yeah.
You want to eat this?
No, thank
Why not?
you.
It's good. See, I'm gonna eat it. I'm eating it.
Okay.
You're high?
Yeah.
So you smoked weed? Be
Not
careful. Why are you high?
Smoke, but not weed. Okay.
So what did you smoke?
I didn't smoke anything.
You didn't smoke anything?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, look at my pupils.
At your pupils? Yeah, I know this word. That's great. How many fingers do you have?
How many
Fingers do you have?
fingers?
Yeah.
10. 20.
So 10 or 20?
20.
Yeah.
20.
Fingers?
Yeah.
20 fingers.
You got 20 fingers.
How many fingers? How much?
How many? So you got 20 or 10 fingers?
I think we have 10 fingers. Yeah?
10 fingers. And on your feet?
Feet?
Yeah.
Feet no, just now.
Awesome. They're called toes. Yeah. Okay.
20.
No, it's not true. You didn't have 20 fingers.
How many?
You got 10 fingers.
Why?
Because on your feet you got toes. They're called toes.
I don't like English.
You don't like English? Okay.